Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Lori with DIY Wedding Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to make this quick and easy wrist corsage with just a couple of materials. The first thing that I have to show you are these satin wristlets from Amazon, and they are so comfortable. I've done a lot of wrist corsages, and this is the best, most comfortable one I have ever gotten. And it's got that satin over, and then it's got a thing that you can, well, I'll show you how to, you can glue right on top of that. So there's that, and I'm going to put a link to Amazon if you're interested in those. And I just bought a bouquet, like Hobby Lobby or Michael's. Just pick out a bouquet that you like, and you can take the flowers right off of there and use them for the corsage. And just some ribbon and some little loops. And the greenery you can get also from the bouquet. All right, let's get started. And then I have these looped pearls. They come in a spray like this, and I just cut the stems off, and I have 4 of those. And then I made these little ribbon loops here. I have 6 of them. They're about 5 inches. And then I used a glue dot instead of hot glue. Just put a glue dot at the end there, and I have 6 of those. And then the flowers I got from this bouquet from, I think it was Michael's, on sale for like $5. And so I just pulled 2 flowers off of that and some leaves off of that. And that's all I needed. And just a hot glue gun. All right, we'll put it together. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention in the materials, this is a 2.5-inch piece of ribbon, and it's about 6 or 7 inches is about what it should be. And then I fold it over twice and then glue that together. And then that's going to be my base. So this is one I made already. That's going to be the base that I glue everything to. So I'm going to glue all of these ribbon loops on first. Got them on there. There's my wrist corsage. You can always make the ribbons smaller or shorter or however you want to. All right, good to go. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time. If you like what you see, please like, share, and subscribe would be great. All right, see you next time.